My son Nicola loved this pasta. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Paolo. Today, I'm gonna give you some trick to let your children eat vegetables. Yes, because my children, especially my son Nicola, when he was a child, he didn't want to eat any vegetable at all. The only green thing I was able to let him eat, because I make a super delicious pasta, was green peas. Papà, pisellini. Let's check it. So, the ingredients are, for 3 people, 200 grams of cooking cream. Remember the recipe of the homemade cooking cream, guys, eh? Remember that. Onion, green peas, 200 grams, 200 grams of mushroom, 200 grams of bacon, 300 grams of spaghetti. Alright guys, first we put some olive oil in our pan and we cut our onion. Then we switch on the fire, we put medium fire and we put our onion to cook. We like our onion blonde and soft. In the meantime our onion is cooking, we can cut our mushroom. Once we cut our mushroom, we can also cut our bacon in a small slice. We can add our bacon to our pan. 3-4 minutes, the time our onion and our bacon becomes blonde and crunchy, and we can add first our mushroom and then our green peas. Look how golden and nice is our base of bacon and onion. Now it's time to add our mushroom, a pinch of salt. In the way the salt helps the mushroom to release all the water they have inside. When we talk about homemade authentic Italian food, it's not rocket science. It's all about the respect of the ingredients. And now, after 2 minutes, it's time for our green peas. Look, such a colorful and delicious sauce for our pasta. In the meantime, our water is boiling, so 2 teaspoons of salt. Time to put our spaghetti. We twist and lid. Look, after 5 minutes, our sauce is almost done. Time to add our cooking cream. Wow. Alright. After 8 minutes, our pasta is supposed to be ready, but you know guys, we never trust. We always need to try. Let's move our spaghetti now in our sauce. Switch on the fire under the sauce. Here we are. Mamma mia! Look at this gorgeous pasta full of so rich ingredients. Wow. Here you are guys, our pasta is ready to plate. Voila. It's just amazing guys. Some black pepper, some olive oil. Time to taste, mamma mia, this is the best moment. Look how creamy, how delicious is this pasta, mamma mia. Full of vegetables, full of taste, bacon, mushroom. My son Nicola loved this pasta. Mamma mia. Actually me too. Mamma mia, super delicious. Thank you very much for following me, always with you, all this long winter time, here, same place, in my kitchen, your chef. Se vedemo.